All right, let me go through my trades of the day. I think I only took two trades right here. PNL is negative $5. I'm not proud of my trades today. I actually missed out on some trades and I kind of forced some, which I shouldn't do. But basically, like I was saying yesterday, we had this daily demand zone right here. I was saying that it'd be hard for me to short the market in the zone. Like if it was to sell off, I would just kind of watch it happen, not touch anything, but then look for opportunities to go long at these levels right here. We had the daily, the 30-minute right here, and a 4 hour that got only tested one time right here. So those are my levels, and to be honest, anywhere to the upside, we could have rallied back all the way up here around this area right there. And on NQ we had this demand zone that got formed yesterday, pre-market, and we kind of opened in it. I could have went long there, but I didn't. We were just kind of chopping right here in the morning, and then that's why I left the house. And when I came back, I'll tell you exactly what happened actually in a minute. But yeah, out of this demand zone, we could get a rally into this zone right here, a supply zone. And then the next zone would have been this 15-minute zone, which I wasn't sure if we're going to hold or not. Like I was really thinking, if we break above this first supply zone, yeah, I was not really expecting a hold of this demand zone. I mean, of this supply zone, I thought we could just, run past it into that 30-minute supply zone up there. But basically, my first trade was at 157 on SPY calls. Let me see what that looked like on the 1 minute. All right, basically, yeah. In the morning, we were just chopping up and down. I couldn't really get an entry to the upside over here. What I could have done was maybe enter right here, at this level right here. Right here. This looks good to enter. It's an engulfing candle right out of a demand zone with the stop loss probably somewhere here, but I missed that. I was not here. I got back around here when the breakout started happening. Was when I was back in front of my screen, and I thought it was kind of too late to chase it here. So and then 5 minutes later we had this big candle right here, but I did think we could continue because the chart looked like this. We had really no zones in the 15-minute. Let me go to the 15-minute. We had no zone, so I thought we could rally all the way somewhere up here into the 39.50s, but we didn't. So I ended up going long somewhere here on the pullback of this. After the choppiness right here, we looked like that. We break out of this trend line. I waited for a retest. I think I entered probably somewhere here or here, 1057, right? I mean 157, yeah. And then I closed at 205 for a $25 loss. This trade ended up kind of working out. We got that rally. I was not looking to take profit here. My target was a little bit somewhere up there, but I was actually looking at the tape and started not to look good right here. After we broke this level right here, it was not holding. We started selling off right away, and boom, I think I stopped out somewhere, somewhere down here at 1405. Yeah, right here. After we started, getting lower, my stop loss was below the lows right here. If we closed below this, yeah, I was gonna come out, and I did. And he was just chopping us from there on. You don't want to trade stuff like that. I forced another trade on QQQ right here at I got two contracts actually. See, this is what revenge trading is. I was just trying to scalp some of the money back, which it kind of worked out. I got $20 back, and my PNL was negative $5 for the day. But these are things that you're not supposed to do. Like I was even going against the trend, to be honest. Even though that 15-minute supply zone was acting like it was holding, the market did not have to sell off, and it could have like not worked out. But basically, I entered QQQ puts. A better entry would have been somewhere here on QQQ, right here. Right here would have been good for a quick scalp. All of these would have to be scalp. You don't want to hold them too long because the market does not have to sell off all the way down here. Like, it doesn't even have to get here. It can just stop anywhere and start rallying back up. Because technically the trend is to the upside. We just entered a daily demand zone. We could be going up from here, so you just don't want to short randomly. The trades need to make sense. But basically, what I entered late also at 254, no, 241. 241. Let's see how we look like at 241. Probably somewhere here, right on this breakout right here. On this breakout, I chased it. It was too late. I was just trying to scalp. These are bad trades, by the way. Like, I should not be taking trades like this. If I'm shorting out of my supply zone, I have to short somewhere here, or maybe on this candle right here, and have my stop loss there, and my profit target maybe somewhere here. Since it's a smaller zone, I'm not really expecting it to hold, or not even trade it at all. Like, I don't need to trade this, but I ended up doing it. Got in right here. We had this pullback that was very scary and choppy because the contracts were moving against me like crazy. But I ended up selling one contract, I think at 53 right here, actually low. That was the lowest. Yeah, at 54, sold the other one at 55. 54 right here on this candle, sold one. And then when it started coming back up, I sold the other one. And on this candle, when it started going up, I sold it, and I was just breaking even right here. My second contract, I sold it at 249. I got in at 251, sold one at 273, and the other one at 249. So yeah, all that totaled to $20 profit. And then look at what happened right after. We just got this crazy rally back into the zone, and we're just consolidating inside of it right now. Probably gonna break higher. We got unemployment claims coming out tomorrow pre-market, so we might either go up or down. No one knows. But right now, I feel like the trend should be to the upside until we reach that 30-minute supply zone, which is probably what I'll be looking at tomorrow if we can get a rejection off of it, because it's untested. And if we do break above it, I'm pretty sure we got more supply zones to the upside. Yeah, after that, we got another zone, the 4-hour supply zone right here, and a 1-hour supply zone inside of it, all the way up there. And if we were to get a pullback, yeah, I could see we got a 1-hour zone going on here. Yeah, but I'll be charting all these tomorrow. We got another 1-hour zone there. It's probably a lot of zones to the downside that I would look to go long from. So let's say we gap down, I look to go long somewhere, targeting my supply zone to the upside. But basically, those were my trades today. Not really proud of them. The fact that I left the house and kind of missed out on the trade, I came back and I was just forcing things left and right. Even this would have been a better entry. The breakout of this trend line, that could have been one right here, and that would have been great right there. Great profit, come out. And even if you wanted to swing it, sure, you could go for it, because we could technically touch the 1950, 3950 area right there. That still would be my price target. Or this demand zone I was talking about, it could have entered there, but I didn't. So I just started forcing trades here. Not really proud of it. It's all good. Good thing is that it was only a $5 loss, so it's all good. It counts as if I did not even trade today. But yeah, I'll take that, and peace out.